back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for watching. Showing you how I made this set. I'm going to start by filing and buffing all my nails to make sure the polish has a great base to stick to.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you.
Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be going on with my base coat from Beetles. I got this one off of Amazon. I'm just going to apply one layer of that and cure it for 60 seconds.
Flower bloomed in the dark room, but you trusted. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Now that I'm done with the base coat, I'm going to be going in with this pink shade from Amida. This one's also from Amazon. And I'll be going in with two layers of this because it's pretty sheer. To begin my French tip design, I'm going to be using Perfect White from Madame Glam. I'm going to place it on my nail palette. Also going to need a thin liner brush to create your French tip design. For a more in-depth tutorial on how I do my French tips, you can check out my other video on my channel.
niggas. Skirt up on niggas. Skirt down, you acting like me. Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley. Give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love however we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need, it's about love, 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 love. I guess we got love, love, long as we got you. Never gave you my number, I did it with you. Should never let you hit it, I split it with you. I regret it, you got a fetish, you got a problem. Now it's a problem, oh no. Skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Think dirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that loved me. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's the this, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me?
I have all the French tips done. I'm going to make moving gel and a black polish. I'm going to be going in with a layer of the blooming gel, and I'm not going to cure it so we can get the blooming effect.
Long as we got
and I'm just going to place 3 dots on each side and then 2 to 3 lines in the middle. And then that's how you get the croc design that I'm going for. And I'm just going to repeat that on the rest of the nails.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the LAS, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell them what you know, what you see. Fucking bitches, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true.
I'm going to be adding charms on the middle nails. I got these planet charms off of Amazon. I'll try and link them down below. I'm going to be using the Macart rhinestone glue. I've been using this one recently and it's been working really well. I'm just going to place a large dot of glue towards the top of the French design. I'm going to place my charm on top. And you want to make sure the charm is straight before you cure it under the light, or it'll be crooked and you can't move it.
But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Girl, you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it.
Once that's done, here's the final result. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye.